Welcome. In this demo, I'll show you how to add parameters to your Excel Power Query file for Vista by Viewpoint. In this example, we will filter the data based on the company. Let's start by creating a new tab where we can enter the company we want to filter. Once you have entered your information, turn it into a table by selecting Table from the Insert menu. Make sure the Table has Headers option is checked, then click OK. The reason we create this table is to make it accessible within Power Query. Let's rename the table to PGL Company to indicate it's a parameter. Next, go to the Data tab and select Get Data and launch Power Query Editor. We can see the table has not been pulled in yet. Return to your Data tab and select from Table/Range in the Data tab. We can now see the PGL company. We'll use this table as a filter for the GL details. Right-click on the PGL company value and select Drill Down. This step converts the table value into a parameter that we can use for filtering. Let's move to the GL details query. We want to replace the existing filter with our new parameter PGL company. To do this, open the Advanced Editor. Look for the section where we applied the filter on GL company. You'll notice in line 3 it says table.select rows where each GL company does not equal 101. We'll change this condition to use our parameter. Replace the condition of does not equal 101 with equals PGLCO. This will filter our data on the GL company. After making the changes, check for syntax errors. If there are no errors, click Done. You can now see that the data is filtered for the specific company. To finalize, go to Close and Load and select Close and Load to. Choose Only Create Connection and click OK. Now the query pulls in fewer rows, optimizing performance. We can see it pulls in only 34,000 rows instead of the original 113,000. If we change the filter to another company, such as Company 1, and hit Refresh All, Power Query will load the data for Company 1. Thank you for watching. For further information or to see some of the exciting solutions we're working on, use the link in the description or reach out to us using the contact details provided.